6:11 this morning. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving yesterday. You might be venturing out for some Black Friday shopping today or just taking it easy, watching some football. I know that's what I'll be doing later. I've got the Texas tie on, Texas playing Texas Tech. We better win, too. I'll be real disappointed if we lose that game. Anyway, active weather pattern, very strong low pressure system out west. And actually our next cold front, see this line of clouds? That's our next cold front that's going to get here late Saturday night. Right now, a warm front lifting over us, and that's why this afternoon going to be a lot warmer than yesterday afternoon. Let's take a look how temperatures are going to change through the day and how rain is going to be going away. Now notice the model actually doing a pretty good job of showing that line of rain that's been in Cameron-Wolsey County kind of continuing through the early morning hours. Now I'm not going to rule out some showers still popping up in Hidalgo and Starr County, but I do think there's going to be more activity in Cameron and Wolsey County throughout the morning. Notice how temperatures are gradually rising. By 11 a.m. a lot of us in the upper 70s. I think the warm up this morning is going to be slow because that warm front is still going to be slowly working over us and a lot of thick cloud cover, but those winds are shifting towards the southeast, so we will be warming. I think the last of the rain is going to be late this morning, 10, 11:30, maybe a little sprinkle around right at noon, but after we get past the noon hour, look how it dries out. 2 o'clock, completely dry conditions. I do think a little bit of sun will peek through. The clouds will thin some this afternoon, but there's not going to be much sun today. A mostly cloudy day, but look how temperatures much different than yesterday when we were seeing temperatures mainly in the low 70s. Today, low 80s at 2 o'clock. I bet a lot of places ultimately reach the mid 80s, especially in Hidalgo County this afternoon. It's also going to get windy this afternoon. There's not much wind out there right now, but those winds are going to be picking up behind the warm front. Gusts around 30 miles per hour in many locations. Now look how mild it's going to be tonight. Upper 70s at 7 o'clock, and we basically just kind of hang out in the mid 70s most of the night. Mid 70s tomorrow morning. A remarkably warm night, about 20 degrees above normal for this time of year. And then look at tomorrow afternoon. Though we start mostly cloudy, mostly sunny skies, as we get into the afternoon, it's going to be windy tomorrow. It's going to be humid tomorrow. And check it out, the 90s coming back, I think, for Edinburgh, McAllen, and on west. And even closer to the coast, we're talking upper to mid 80s and humid. So tomorrow we're going to be near record highs, but then cooling down Saturday night because of a cold front. 84 today. Again, cloudy for much day, a little bit of sun this afternoon. The showers only this morning until noon. And afternoon, it's looking dry. It's going to get windy, though, this afternoon. Not much wind this morning. In fact, we're dealing with some light fog in spots early this morning. The fog gone by 9, the rain gone by noon, and then it just gets warm and windy later on this afternoon. And there's still going to be some wind tonight. The winds are going to die down, but still around 10 miles per hour. That's keeping our temperatures up. 74 for a low temperature, mostly cloudy. A normal low this time of year is 54, 20 degrees above normal. And so that's why it's going to be so warm tomorrow. 89 on average in the valley. But again, keep in mind, Edinburgh, McAllen, on west, we're talking about low 90s tomorrow. A partly cloudy and windy day. No rain during the day. A 10% chance of showers Saturday night ahead of the front. A 10% chance of showers Sunday morning behind the front. But check out the high temperature on Sunday. 73, and yes, 73 with low humidity. It's still going to be breezy on Sunday, but I think the windiest day Saturday with gusts around 30 miles per hour, gusts around 25 miles per hour for Sunday. Michael?